Tony here with Shed TV, bringing you up to date with news from the Shed Online in May. First up, our health focus. We're wearing our hearts on our sleeves this month because we want all you shedders to be informed about heart health. We've got together with the Heart Foundation. We're bringing you info on heart attack warning signs. You can also watch a video that highlights the importance of calling emergency 000 if you suspect a heart attack is imminent or occurring. It's Heart Week this month, and we've got a Heart Foundation quiz in the activities section. Take a look to see if you're heart smart. Professor James Tatoulis, Chief Medical Advisor at the Heart Foundation, discusses heart attack warning signs and risk factors in our blog this month. He's also made himself available to answer your questions in a new Shed Online Q&A session. You'll find it in the discussion section. To encourage you all to participate, we're offering a copy of the Heart Foundation Barbecue Cookbook to the first 20 shedders to get their heart health questions into us. So get cracking. Following on from our previous Q&A on the topic of asthma, answers to your questions are now available. Just go to the discussion section and you can see what came back. As far as new activities go, we have the second in our new series of cooking how-to videos with our mate Tom. These are all about barbecues. Every bloke loves a barbie, especially if your name is Ken. Anyway, Tom gives us a great recipe for garlic prawns. Yum. There's a new gardening activity too, and it's a cracker. Our expert, Andrew Laidlaw, takes us through the steps to build an ornamental pond. It makes for a lovely view out the kitchen window and acts as a calming centrepiece to a garden setting. Finally, you film buffs can take a look at a new review posted by our critic Bernard. It's for the classic Lawrence of Arabia, starring Peter O'Toole, considered to be one of the most influential films of all time. Read all about it in our blog and let us know what you think by posting a response on the discussions page. We hope you enjoy looking around the Shed Online in May, and if you're not a member, sign up to join in on the discussions and be part of the Shed community. I'll be back with some more updates in a couple of weeks. Till next time, Shedders.